Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how we can access content using the ArcGIS API for Python. First, it's going to start with from arcgis.gis import GIS, and now we're ready to connect to our GIS object. We're going to connect anonymously to access only public data. If we had private data, we could go ahead and add in there. Content's a big deal, and it's one of the biggest things that people use the ArcGIS API for Python for. Whether it's the living atlas or using other people's content that they put up, the ArcGIS API for Python allows you to work with, manage, and manipulate other people's data so you can find great insights into the problem that you're trying to solve or understand. So with the Content Manager, you're able to go ahead and search, add, update, and delete content, share it out, work with folders, and replace various data types such as vector tile services. So let's go ahead and create. First, we're going to do gis.content, and this gives us back a Content Manager object. Next, we can go ahead and search. So we can do gis.content.search, and we can look at the things that are returned. Now, we'll notice before, when we looked at a single item, it came up as an HTML rendered object. But when you're looking at multiple in a list, you just get back this item with the title and some other information such as the owner. We can either find content this way, or we can use gis.content.get and get that individual item by using that unique item ID that we mentioned in video 1. We can go ahead and we can use the advanced search method to go ahead and really break down and find things about it. So where regular search will just give you back the items that you want, advanced search allows you to completely control the search engine parameters that you pass in. I can get back things like the count when I do a search, or I can even look at raw responses and interrogate each individual item in there. So I can say, hey, give me back all the items that you find and the length. So I could say, now that I have these raw results that come in as a dictionary, I can look at each one individually and get their information that I need. I can dig deeper into the type of counts that we have and visualize it out as well. So I can gather statistics that are important to me when looking at various pieces of content. So for example, I did the search, I passed in, I wanted to gather the counts, and I wanted to look at the tags, the content, status, and type. And then I could have turned around and I could gather the counts, each individual one, these counts such as image, service, dashboard, web experience, and so on and so forth. And I can easily visualize them as a nice little bar chart. So what you can do when accessing content is you can find not only statistics, but other sets of information that are interests of you. Using the ArcGIS API for Python, you're allowed to it allows you to easily, quickly find these pieces of information and gain further insights into the things that interest you.